In a world where businesses constantly exchange services, billing is a critical process. Yet, for industries like aviation, it can be incredibly complex. Airlines handle massive transaction volumes, fuel charges, landing fees, maintenance, ground handling, and catering. But with each vendor using different formats, billing becomes fragmented and inconsistent. This unstructured environment leads to data entry errors, delays, disputes, and inefficiencies. Finance teams are bogged down with manual work, impacting productivity and decision-making. To solve this, the International Air Transport Association
IATA
introduced a Simplified Invoicing and Settlement Framework (SIS). This global platform standardizes billing between airlines and partners. SIS replaces scattered PDFs and spreadsheets with a structured digital interface, reducing errors, accelerating settlements, and ensuring global compliance. However, adopting SIS isn't easy. Airlines need the right tools to align their billing with SIS standards. Enters iConSBS from iConcile, the solution that integrates with the airline billing processes to automatically validate and generate SIS-compliant invoices. What exactly does iConSBS do? It takes invoicing to the next level, automatically fetching invoices and supporting documents from the SIS platform, saving your valuable time. Based on the airline services provided, it can auto-generate 100% SIS-compliant invoices, meeting global standards effortlessly. With a rigorous tracking mechanism, iConSBS ensures every invoice is accounted for, while its configurable dashboards make managing the workload efficient and straightforward. Role-specific invoicing access keeps your workflow secure, and a simplified invoice rejection mechanism speeds up the process enormously. Thanks to the highly flexible nature of iConSBS, it can generate accounting exactly as per your organization's specific accounting platforms, ensuring seamless integration and complete alignment with your system. With iConSBS, airlines achieve faster settlements, eliminate manual inefficiencies, and streamline billing with 100% SIS compliance. Simplify billing. Standardize invoicing. Achieve seamless compliance with iConcile. Visit iConcile.com to learn more.